Hey everyone, it's Mike, and during this video we're going to talk about what to do when your modafinil is not working. If you are unaware of what modafinil is, it is a prescription drug used to essentially help fight sleep deprivation, or that's how it is being used in the nootropics community. People are using it for promoting wakefulness, especially for people who have accumulated a lot of sleep debt. It is a very powerful nootropic that will make you feel as if you've essentially gotten like a good full day of rest, meaning your focus is good, your mood is good. There's your ability to solve complex problems, your word recall, everything is good that way, although it will not necessarily make you like supernatural. It's not a limitless pill, but it can be very effective, specifically at boosting your productivity. A very commonly asked question that I'm getting is, why is modafinil not working? For those of you who have tried dosages up to 200 milligrams and not seeing results, that is something where you should definitely begin to ask the question, why is modafinil not working? And if that is the case, the last thing that I would recommend you do is to raise the dosage. I mean, a lot of people would take that approach and just start small, go 50 milligrams, 100 milligrams, 150 milligrams, and then 200 milligrams, and then even more. I would say before you even take more, just look at it and look at the consequences and look at what's the purpose of taking more if what you're taking isn't even effective. 200 milligrams is a pretty large dose, especially if you're taking it just, in one dosage itself. So if you're not spreading it throughout the course of the day, you're just taking it once, preferably in the morning, that's ideal, and you're not noticing anything. I would say the best thing to do is really look at the other things you're taking. It could just be the fact that you're ingesting so much caffeine. That caffeine is a very strong stimulant, even more so than modafinil during its peak. Therefore, you may just be unaware of the effects of modafinil. However, if you're somebody like, let's assume you're not taking any drugs, any prescription drugs, stimulants, you're not taking any coffee, and you take modafinil and don't notice the effects, I would be absolutely shocked. So I would say it's most likely the fact that you're either taking too much coffee or caffeine, or you're just on other stimulants, whether it's Adderall, whether it's anything for ADHD like Vyvanse, Concerta, Ritalin, or even beyond that, things there's antidepressants you could take which can also as well have like stimulating effects. So if you really want to see the best results from taking modafinil, I would recommend that you get off all your other drugs, get off all your stimulants, try it again. And if it doesn't work from there, then you know that modafinil is just not the right prescription for you. And it's okay. If that happens, then there's other alternatives out there. I like phenylparacetam a lot for a lot of the same effects. You get the energy, you get the focus, you get the drive, and you get that productivity. But modafinil is something definitely worth trying if you're really looking to increase your productivity, specifically for people who are working independently, like a programmer or like some sort of entrepreneur doing like an internet-based business. I would say that is the type of profile that's ideal for modafinil use. But if you're somebody like in sales, or you're somebody who does meetings or presentations, I wouldn't say modafinil is always ideal, because you will get a little bit irritable, and being social and being willing to engage in social interactions just isn't, it's significantly down when you're on modafinil. You don't really have the patience for people, and you just want to get things done like fast, get to the point. Hope that was helpful, guys. Hope modafinil is working for you. I'll look forward to seeing you all next time.